Welcome to the course on applied research from hypothesis to structural equation modeling. In this session, we are going to learn about the structural equation modeling, which is commonly called SEM. SEM is an advanced statistical technique used to understand relationships between variables.
Open your browser and go to Google. Type SMARTPLS in the search bar. From the results, click on the official SMARTPLS website. The home page will open. On the website, you will see an option for a free 30-day trial. Click on that. It will take you to a page that explains the trial version. Here you can read about how to download and install the software, how to sign up for the trial, and how to make the best use of your trial period. You will also see an option to purchase a license. Upgrading simply means buying a license after your trial period ends. When you click on Purchase License, you can see different pricing plans. There are 4 main types of purchase plans: student license, professional seat license, professional flat license, enterprise package. The student license has limited features. It allows one seat, which is linked to a specific computer and usually supports up to 100 data cases. Now go back and click on Download under the student license or trial section. You will see download options for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Choose the version that matches your computer. For Windows, download the .exe file. If you are not using the student license, you can use the 30-day professional trial, which gives you full access to all features. After 30 days, the software will ask you to purchase a professional license to continue using all features. Once the .exe file is downloaded, click on it to start the installation. The system will ask for permission to make changes to your computer. Click Yes. The installation wizard will open. It will ask whether you want to update an existing installation or install in a different directory. If you already have a version installed and want a separate installation, choose to install in a different directory. You can also select the folder location where the software should be installed. Then click Next. The installation process will begin and usually completes within a few seconds. At the end, you will see an option to run SMARTPLS. You can also create a desktop shortcut if you wish. Click Finish and SMARTPLS will open on your screen. Once you open SMARTPLS, you will see options such as Switch License, Preference, About, Check for Update, and Exit. In the Switch License option, you can change between the student license and the professional license. If you click on About, you will find the license agreement. It clearly states that SMARTPLS must be properly cited in any scientific publication where it is used. The citation details are provided there. Please make sure you use the citation in your research work if using SMARTPLS. Now let us create a new workspace. Click on New Workspace. A wizard opens and asks you to choose a folder location. Once you select the folder, all your project's file will be saved in that location. Next, we will prepare the dataset. Open Google Scholar and search for a research paper, Antecedents and Consequences of Corporate Reputation, your dataset. That provides a dataset for usage. To open the paper, click on the HTML version given in the right side. Once you open the paper on the left side, you will see sections such as abstract, keywords, data description, and ethics statement. Kindly read all the content to understand the dataset. Scroll down to the data availability section. There, you will find a link to download the dataset. Click on the link. It will take you to another website where the files are available. You can preview the file before downloading it. Then download the required file. To understand the meaning of variables such as ATTR, trust and others, refer to the data description section in the paper. The downloaded file is usually in SPSS format .sav. SMARTPLS allows you to open this file directly. Now go back to SMARTPLS, click Open and select the file from the saved location. You will see a preview of the dataset. Check whether there are any missing values. If everything looks fine, then click Import. After importing, you can see details such as minimum value, maximum value, data type, mean, standard deviation, etc. This helps you decide which items or indicators to include in your model. You can also export this output to Excel or Word if needed by clicking on the copy button. Now the dataset is ready. You can start creating or building your PLSM model. For practice, SMARTPLS also provides sample PLSM model such as corporate reputation model from the primer book. You can open these example projects to understand how models are structured and practice model building. You can click on each model to see how it is built. Now you can start installing SMARTPLS and make yourself ready to test the models. Thank you.